we're here.
Welcome back to
hope
the
you guys
Virtual
can
Speed
hear us.
Performance YouTube channel. We're here at PRI. So I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I was just gonna say it's PRI time.
Yep.
That was all.
Technically day one, but
we are so excited.
Yep.
So we're gonna go meet up with a couple people that we know are here,
Yep.
and then go meet everybody else.
well,
We got walking tacos.
walking tacos. I've never had a walking taco.
This is gonna be interesting, to say the least.
Interesting.
Oh wait, is my mic even on?
Yeah, it looks
Oh.
like it's on. Is mine on?
Go ahead.
Very good. Is mine on?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
I could use some hot sauce though.
Didn't they have?
Actually, I think I have hot sauce in my purse. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Don't you carry a thing of back?
I usually carry around.
It's very interesting.
Like, almost hard to hold. It's been a little stressful, so we're gonna take a shot.
A little bit.
Just a
My
little
hair
bit.
poofy? Yep, it looks poofy a little bit.
No, I think it looks fine.
Okay.
All right. You want to sip this? This poor baby.
All right.
All right. Cheers. PRI, baby.
Does anybody know who won the Top Alcohol Dragster World Championship in 2023?
Oh.
Yeah, I'll give you a hint. It is one of my teammates. Good job.
See, these are for like the 959s and stuff like that. That's the push rod. I mean, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
You think about like a push rod and like a big block Chevy compared to that and a Charlie Buck 959. Like this outlet. I got stickers.
Oh, you got stickers. They even have a special appearance for the Civic.
That they do.
I feel so included.
All right, so I'm kind of gathering a plan. So these end aisles like this are going to be very busy. So I feel like we need to hit the aisles that are, the aisles themselves. But it's crazy here.
It is insane here.
It is crazy.
But we're getting through it.
Man, look at this, guys. PRI. The only seat you could find.
I know. I need a nap. It's a lot,
It does feel nice.
doesn't it?
It does feel nice. I could be very comfortable in this.
You could take a nap in that, right?
A nap, indeed. What
I'm trying to take a selfie, but you keep recording for the Virtual Speak Performance YouTube channel.
Late model.
I'm trying to send pictures in the group chat so they feel included.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying.
I'm just taking video.
This purple. Just want to. And you know, if you ever loved a color so much,
The
like
purple?
that, like that, and the midnight blue.
Yeah.
That shit is just hot.
All right, guys. So we're sitting on the stairs of the PRI show, and
We're
tuckered out. It's only
Really
what
worn
time is it? Like 2:30, I think.
yeah, it's like two something. But we are gonna meet up with some friends for dinner at 5.
Chris Duncan race cars.
So we're gonna
So we talked to Holly.
we talked to everybody. We
Holly
talked to
Magnafield.
Motor State, Nitrous Outlet,
Yeah.
Jinx.
Yeah, Jinx. we still got some more to go. I'd
do.
like to hit, but we're getting there.
We
There's
talked
Dennis
to more
Anderson.
people too. Oh.
There's Dennis Anderson. He used to drive the Gravedigger monster truck.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you remember the Gravedigger monster truck?
I've been to a million monster truck shows.
Yeah, that was fucking Dennis Anderson.
That's so cool.
Right there, see this?
I see him. Yeah. It's kind of crazy. Pop said it's like living in the Facebook reel. So
Yeah.
it's like
'Cause,
literally living
you
in
know,
Facebook.
As we were getting our taco bowl
Bowls.
thingy,
Yeah.
Clay Milliken just walked by and. You know, Kramer worked on one of those from Seinfeld.
What?
On Kramer. He did that. He took
Oh my God, there's another horse. I am all about trying new stuff.
Are you guys would like to be on the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel? Chris Duncan race cars, and Amanda.
And the not valued employee.
Yeah.
Bathroom with me, and when we were at the Airbnb, he couldn't get my pants up either.
I might get canceled if I come in the bathroom with you.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just saying. I had to rely on whoever was in the bathroom.
All right, Amanda, where are you taking us?
Yeah, where are we going? Where are we going?
The ATM.
I don't even
For
know
what?
where we're at.
I don't know yet.
The boss man got you.
Yeah.
8?
Today.
Did you? Because I tried to find you yesterday.
I told you I wasn't going to be here yesterday. That's what. I told you I wouldn't be here.